chocolate. This is the last piece. Oh, my hair got in there. Yum. Oops. I don't know why I'm posting so late. That was yummy. Oh God. It's very God. This is my pen I use. Can't really see it. I have another one, but I won't get it. I'll show you in another video. Anyway, guys, that was me eating chocolate. Bye.